And the second one I want us to look at is the epigenetic. The epigenetic is not directly a corrective one, but is still indirectly a corrective measure in the body. The epigenetic is usually not described as a measure repair system. Instead, it regulates gene expression. Epigenetic regulates gene expression. It turns gene up or turns it down, and it adapts gene to its environment, and it also alters cellular behavior. The epigenetic is responsible for alteration of cellular behavior. However, epigenetic can participate in recovery and in healing indirectly because gene regulation influences number one, inflammation, stress responses, tissue repair, immune activity, regenerational pathways, and so epigenetic is more of a control and response layer than a direct repair mechanism. And the third one I want us to touch is the regenerative biology. Regenerative biology. Please give me three of them: DNA repair system, epigenetic, and what? Regenerative biology. Regenerative biology is responsible for restoration and rebuilding. Hallelujah. So regenerative biology focuses on rebuilding or replacing damaged tissues and restoring functions. This is corrective at the tissue and organ level. Hallelujah. For wound healing, for bone repair, liver regeneration, stem cell modification repair, and tissue remodeling. So we have looked at the three systems that God has put in the body in case something goes wrong. Mother, somebody said there is hope. Somebody said there is hope. So now in the name of the living God, having established that let's step deeper. In the name of the living God, the sustainer of life, the giver of wisdom, the one who said to Jeremiah in Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, Jeremiah, before you were formed in your mother's womb, I knew you. We come in the strength of that knowledge that Elohim the Creator had concerning any child in the school system of America, including adults. We are not ready. We are not limiting it to kids alone. Elohim, our Creator, we come by the finished work of the cross and by the frequency of the unbroken sound. The sound that brings every other sound into alignment with Elohim. We acknowledge the intricate design of the human body, the intelligence that God has put inside the human body by divine design, by divine wisdom. And we are coming and we are decreeing strength over every system that preserves and restores life in the human body, over the life of any child and even adult accept that is confused over their identity, that has altered their identity one way or the other, that have shifted their identity from God-given design. Any identity right now that is not according to design is what we are legislating over for the children and even for adults as well.